Hi everyone, how you guys doing? Welcome to What's Old Tarot Prediction. I hope you liked today's session. Okay, so there are so many people who are reaching out to me saying that we want remedies but we don't have money to pay or we cannot afford your readings. Okay, so I have decided that I am also going to post few of the remedies which can help you out at home while sitting at home. You can do your remedies and you can get the solutions easily within a month. Okay, so every single day or every alternate days I'm going to provide or I'm going to do few of the remedies for you. I'm going to tell you how it works, and for kindly leave the testimonials on my mail id which is given in the description box below. If you want to reach out to me for my personal readings, for tarot bookings, one-on-one sessions with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, if you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to join my 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's check it out what I'm going to tell you. So here I'm going to tell you, to be honest, there are few of the remedies. Okay, remedies for, I hope it is visible to you. Okay, so I'm going to show you by your side also. Okay, so these are the remedies for immediate solutions. I repeat, this is a particular remedy for immediate situations or solutions. Okay, like for example, you have lost something, you are not getting something where you have kept any particular gold or diamond ring. You want it urgently, so you can do this remedy at home. Okay, if you want someone should pay you back the money, or you want an urgent client, they should convert your lead into sales. Okay, so this remedy can help you out. The third important thing, if you are having if your visa is not coming, if you are having problem in some particular situation, anything, it can be related to career, relationship, situationship, financial, anything. Okay, so you can do this remedy at home. Okay, so I'm going to tell you three different types how you can use it. First of all, the things which you require for this remedy. The first one is you need to have a green pen, not blue. Since I don't have any green pen right now, I'm just telling you, this is just an example. You have to use green pen, no red pen, no blue pen, no pink pen. Okay, only red, only green pen, GREEN, only green pen. Okay, okay, so only this pen and a paper, just like this, a paper. Only for this remedy you need only green pen and a paper. Okay, so if the first, this is the first type of remedy, the remedy which you can use in first type, like in there are three steps, three things in, you can use this remedy in three different ways. Okay, so the first way of using this, okay, the first way, okay, that you have, there is a particular phrase which is known as switch words or switch phrases. Okay, this phrase is very effective, trust me, it's very effective. The only thing you have to do is that you have to visualize it, that thing, that particular thing which you want is having you, is you are doing it right now, or you are having it right now with you. Okay, or you are receiving those things which you want immediately. Okay, so the phrase is wolf magic begin now. Okay, so wolf magic begin now, you can see it, I hope. Wolf magic begin now, I don't know how to tell you. Wolf magic begin now. Okay, So WOLF, wolf, okay, magic, MAGIC, dash, begin, BEGIN, dash, NOW. Okay, I will write this phrase in the description box also, you can check it out. Okay, so wolf magic begin now. Okay, this phrase is very effective, trust me guys, very 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 effective. I use it on my daily basis as if my things doesn't work, or if I want that particular situation should be like that. Okay, so I use it in my day-to-day life. So what you need to do is that you need to chant it, you need to chant wolf magic begin now on day-to-day basis, whole day, whole night. Okay, until and unless you don't get the results. And while chanting, you need to visualize that thing is already happening with you. Okay, that those things what you want, that particular thing or that particular situation is already happening with you in a positive way, whatever you want. Okay, so for example, let's say for example you want that you should get 98 percentage in your studies. Okay, so what you need to chant, and tomorrow is your result, to be honest. Okay, then you need to chant wolf magic begin now, wolf magic begin now, wolf magic begin now. While chanting it, you have to visualize that you have received 98 percentage out of 100 into your examination. Okay, so this is a very effective one. Okay, so whatever you want for any immediate situation, like you don't want your flights to be cancelled tomorrow, so you have to all day and night you have to chant wolf magic begin now, wolf magic begin now. You know, I feel that not into your head, when you verbally speak, universe listens to you more. So verbally, with a little lower voice, you can say wolf magic begin now, wolf magic begin now, wolf magic begin now. Okay, and at the same time you are visualizing that your flight is not getting cancelled. Okay, so yes, this is the first way. The second way, okay, this is a wrist one. This is the most easy and effective one. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, so yeah, this is the most easy and the effective one, wrist one. So you have this. Okay, so this hand, this wrist, this what I can say, this hand. Okay, so with your green pen, green pen. Okay, green pen, you need to write from here to here, wolf dash magic dash begin dash now. Okay, so you have to write whole phrase from here to here into your wrist. Okay, into your hands. Okay, left hand especially, not right hand, left hand. Okay, you have to write on daily basis. Every single day you take bath, you have to write it down, and whole day you do not have to remove it, you do not have to rub it, you do not have to do anything. Okay, you just have to write it down with your green pen, not black pen guys, not blue pen, not red pen. You just need to write it down with green pen. Okay, from here to here. Okay, so yeah, if you have any and don't show it to anyone, kindly wear a full sleeves thing. Okay, so that no one can see that. Okay, the third and the most effective way. Okay, the most effective one is the first one. Okay, where you chant on daily basis, like day and night you are chanting and visualizing it. Okay, you are chanting and visualizing. Okay, chanting it plus visualizing it. Okay, the second one is on wrist hand, you're writing it. Okay, on the third one. Okay, so the third one is all about, you have to take a pen and a paper, green pen especially, because to draw something towards you. Okay, green pen or green gel pen, ball pen, anything, green pen is the most effective one. Okay, so you need green pen again and a paper. Okay, so you need to write at least minimum 2 pages on daily basis, 2 pages on daily basis of this particular phrase. Okay, So whatever your wish is, okay, for example, your wish is, I'm showing you here, okay, your wish is that you want something to happen. So you have to write on the topmost your wish, okay, and from here you are going to start wolf magic begin now, okay. Then next is wolf magic begin now. Then third, wolf magic begin now. Then fourth, wolf magic begin now. So you have to cover all this full page, okay. So you have to write this on daily basis, minimum at least 2 pages, okay. And while writing it, you are chanting it also and visualizing it, whatever your wish is, okay. Whatever your particular wish is, okay. So you are chanting it, you are visualizing it, plus you are writing it, okay. So this is the third and the most effective one. I'm telling you, you will get the result within 15 days, and at most like minimum 15 days plus, but maximum it's 30 days, okay, like 1 month. Within 1 month you will definitely get the result whatever you are looking for, okay. This is only for the things which you want, immediately. You want immediate solution for your problem, like tomorrow something is happening and today you want to change it, you want to do something like that. You want the things should go into your own favor, okay. So this is for immediate solutions or immediate effect, immediate situation changing, or for any immediate problems, okay. So this particular remedy, I have told you 3 types of things. The first way is chanting plus visualizing it, okay, wolf magic begin now. The second is writing it into your hands with the green pen, for wolf magic begin now on daily basis, until and unless your things doesn't get received, or the situation doesn't get solved, according to you. Plus you can chant it also, which will be more effective. The third way is that you have to write at least minimum 2 pages of this daily basis, until and unless your wish doesn't come true or your situation doesn't gets changed, whatever you want, okay. Or else your situation doesn't change until and unless it's not into your favor, into your own favor. You need to do this, okay. So you have to write minimum 2 pages on daily basis for this, okay, every single day, until and unless your wish doesn't get fulfilled, okay. So yeah, these are the 3 ways which I told you. So this is a particular remedy for immediate solutions. This is also known as switch words and switch phrases. Basically these are, wolf is a switch word, magic is a switch word, begin is a switch word, now is a switch word, okay. And when we combine it, this becomes a switch phrase, okay. So switch phrase is something where you can change the energies on an universal level, okay, which will be very effective. So this is for the people who doesn't cannot spend, who are unable to help, who are unable to book my tarot reading sessions or something like that. So this kind of remedies I am going to provide you nowadays, on alternate basis, so that you can get the solution at home, okay. Because I want every single person out there to be happy and blessed, and their problems should be solved. That is the most effective karma and most positive karma which everyone should get, okay. So your karmas will increase if you do good for others, universe will do good for you. So that what I believe in, okay. So this is a particular remedy. I hope you like this remedy session, okay. I hope kindly do it, and kindly write it down in the comment box below, that how many of you have received the results, okay. Because this happens with immediate solutions, with immediate effect, okay. But at least 2 days you should be before 2 days, before 5 days, or before 1 month also you can start whatever for wish fulfillment you want. Okay, the more you do, the more better results you will receive for sure. Okay, so yes guys, I hope kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and next time I'll come up with the next remedy. Okay, so bye bye guys, thank you so much, bye bye.